The Keukenhof Gardens in the Netherlands are widely known for their beautiful display of tulips each year. In 2024, visitors can expect to see an even more breathtaking showcase of these colorful flowers. Here are some highlights to look forward to. Over 7 million tulips will be on display, showcasing a wide variety of colors and species. The theme for the 2024 Keukenhof Gardens is Tulip Traditions, celebrating the rich history and culture surrounding these beloved flowers. Along with tulips, visitors can also expect to see other spring blooms such as daffodils, hyacinths, and crocuses. The gardens will feature numerous exhibits, including a flower mosaic showcasing a traditional Dutch scene. Visitors can take a boat tour through the surrounding tulip fields, providing a unique perspective on the beauty of the Dutch countryside. The gardens also offer a range of activities and events for visitors of all ages, including workshops, concerts, and scavenger hunts. With over 1 million visitors each year, the Keukenhof Gardens are one of the most popular tourist destinations in the Netherlands and a must-see for anyone who loves flowers and nature. If you're planning to visit Keukenhof Gardens, the best time to go would be during the spring season, particularly from mid-March to mid-May, when the tulips are in full bloom. During this time, you'll be able to witness the vast fields of colorful tulips in their full glory. Apart from tulips, you'll also find other types of flowers such as daffodils, hyacinths, and lilies. The garden features a variety of themed gardens, which include a Japanese garden, a historical garden, and a romantic garden, among others. Overall, the Keukenhof Gardens Tulip Traditions exhibit in 2024 promises to be a stunning display of beauty and culture, showcasing the rich history and diversity of tulips in the Netherlands.